Hey guys, welcome to my shop. This is Ken, Papa's Fix-It Shop. As the big hole in the wall shows, my lathe is broken. I had a little Shop Fox M1049 and the motor went out. And apparently, when the Chinese build these lathes, they build custom motors for them, and they just are really hard to find one that'll fit. So I'm on a search. I'm looking for a motor that I can adapt. But in the meantime, it gave me an excuse to order another lathe, and it's on the way, and I got a big hole here. So all I got is I've got a new chuck and a tool post and a 4-jaw chuck for it. This is a drill chuck. And this new lathe has a MT5, and so it uses a bigger chuck. So anyway, I took a chance and stripped everything off the wall and painted it. The business of trying to stay busy when you've got a project. Because I'm in the middle of this guy. Let me bring it up there. See it? I'm making this as you get a good look at it right there. This is a prototype of a cutter shaft for a plastic shredder specifically for shredding 3D printer failed parts or incorrect parts. Apparently the guys that do that don't like the cost of the filament, and so they're always looking for a way to repurpose it. And this gentleman is looking for a way to shred it easily. He asked me to help him out. So I usually do videos in there, but there's nothing here but me painting all week. I've been painting and cleaning and doing that, and just staying safe. So there's not much going on. All I can say is that I'm in good health. Down here in southern Arizona, we are like really right in the middle of the big surge. It's just the thing about Arizona down here in the south is it's open, it's cool. I mean, this is the deep dark dead of winter, and it's like 75 out. So we go out, we go to the parks, go places, we live our lives. So hoping everybody stays safe, hoping everybody takes precautions and has a fantastic 2021. So I'll be back up as soon as I get a lathe. When I get this new lathe, which they're telling me it's on a truck somewhere. Right now it's, what do they say it is? It's the 14th, right? I don't know. It's been 2 weeks since I ordered it, and it's been a week since it's been in transit, and the terminal where it started from is 260 miles that way. So I don't know why it takes a week to get that far. I do know why it takes that long, because I drove trucks. You don't go straight to the house, you go on a route where you maximize your deliveries. So fingers crossed I'll get the lathe, and once it shows up, I'll be able to, I'm going to just go through a very detailed description of it, and look at this paper. Anybody that wants to look it up, I got it from a website called toolots, Toolots. And this particular lathe is a BL330E-1. Just some of the quick stuff. It's let's see, 13 by 30. The headstock is 1.5 inches pass through, so you can get, now it's metric, so if you get real close to it, it might not be 1.5. I haven't seen it, right? But it's basically 1.5 inch through the center of the headstock. It has obviously longitudinal cross feed that's powered, so you can flick a lever and it'll do your longitudinal cross feed, but it also has the cross feed on the saddle is powered, not the compound, but the actual cross feed. So it's got 2 axes, X and Y, of automatic powered cross feed. So should be kind of fun. So when it shows up, I will take pictures and I'm going to go through it and I'm going to examine it and I'll show everybody setting it up, getting it going, and commenting on what the quality looks like. Because, you know, this lathe was $2,549, and it was $109 for this 4-jaw chuck. I have to have a 4-jaw chuck. And then I bought a BXA tool post and a good chuck myself, a drill chuck for the tailstock. So when it shows up, stay tuned. You'll get to see this new lathe. Oh yeah, this is the one. Can you see this? Let me see. Yeah, you can see this box right here. That is half of the stand. Now this thing also has an integrated coolant tank and pump system for flood coolant. It's all built into the lathe. So it should be interesting. For 2,500 bucks, you know, should be fun. So that's it for now. That's my update. And sorry it's kind of crappy, but it is what it is. I'm a crappy old guy, right? Thanks for watching.